2 log of x plus 5 equals log 18 plus log of 2. So let's make sure we know about this property of equality so we know what we're working towards. The property of equality says that if you have log base b of m equals log base b of n, then m equals n. So basically, if we can get the log with the same base on both sides, then we can simplify our equation to be something without logarithms in it. So let's try that with our example. We have 2 log of x plus 5 equals log of 18 plus log of 2. So in order to use this property of equality, I need to have a single log on the left and a single log on the right. This 2 that's in front of the log is preventing me from having a single log. So I'm going to use the power rule, and the power rule moves that 2 to the power of the log. So we have log of x plus 5 squared. On the right-hand side, you can see that I have 2 logs instead of a single log. So I'm going to condense. I'm allowed to condense because they have the same base. And when I condense, I'm going to either use multiplication or division, and I'm going to use multiplication because of that plus sign. So I'll use 18 times 2. So now you see I've got a single log on the left, that's base 10, a single log on the right, that's base 10. So I can use the property of equality to say what's inside this log is equal to what's inside this log, which is 18 times 2. How much is 18 times 2? 36. All right, so now I can finish solving. The logs are gone, and this is a quadratic equation. I'll take the square root of both sides. The square root and the square cancel each other out, and I pick up a plus or minus sign on the other side. I get square root of 36 to be 6, and I'll subtract 5 on both sides, and that's x equals negative 5 plus or minus 6. Negative 5 plus 6 would be 1, and negative 5 minus 6 would be negative 11. And we need to check. So let's check. Our original is 2 log of x plus 5 equals log of 18 plus log of 2. So I'm checking the x equals 1. If I were to plug a 1 in for my variable, would I have a positive in here? And I would, so I can keep that. If I plug in a negative 11 in for my variable, that gives me a negative inside the log. You can't take the log of a negative, so I'm going to throw that solution away. And the only solution would be negative 11. Thank you for checking out my videos. Have a great day.